This video will explain the top 3 steps in the Chapter 1 Grader Project 1 that students have the most trouble with. This exercise is guess house rental rates. We're working with 3 types of rental units. Prices are based on peak and off-peak times. You will calculate the maximum daily revenue for each rental type, and you will calculate the discount rate for off-peak rental times. And of course, you will approve the appearance of the worksheet by applying font, alignment, and number formats. This is what your document looks like. Before I can get to the steps that you have the most trouble with, which are steps 7, 8, and 12. There's a toss up between 10 and 12. I can show you 10 and 12. So we need to perform steps 1 through 6 first. So I will perform those right now. Okay, step 7. In cell D6, we want to enter a formula that calculates the peak rental's maximum revenue by multiplying the number of units by the peak day. That formula is equal B6, the number of units, times the peak rentals per day. C6. So in cell D6, you will type equal B6 times C6. Press enter. The result is $899.70. Okay, in step 8, in cell G6, we will enter a formula that calculates the discount rate for the off-peak rental price per day. We see what the peak rental price is per day. The value is in cell C6. The off-peak rental price per day is in cell E6. So to determine the discount, we divide what's in cell E6 by what's in cell C6. And to get the discount rate, we subtract the result from 1. The formula is equal 1 minus E6 divided by C6. The result is 0.199733, rounded to 20%. In step 10, format the range C6 through F8 with the accounting number format. I will just format C6. There is a difference between the accounting number format and the currency number format. The accounting number format places the $sign on the left edge of the cell, whereas the currency number format places the $ on the left edge of the value, right next to the value. That is the difference between those two formats. In step 12, we are applying blue accent 1, lighter 80% field color to the range E5 through G8. E5 through G8. Using the field color, click the arrow and then select the appropriate color from the color gallery. Throughout the exercises this semester, you will be asked to use the color gallery. If you do not select the correct color, the task will be counted as incorrect. The same thing is true when you take the MOS exam. So you should become familiar with the sections of the color gallery. The top two sections of the color gallery are colors that relate to the current theme. The first row will contain a color name along with a color attribute. The second set of colors will show a color name with a color attribute and a percentage value along with the words lighter or darker. The last row of colors are your standard colors. These colors are named without color attributes except for light and dark. So in this case, we want to use blue accent 1, lighter 80%. Blue accent 1, lighter 80%. I found it. So those few tasks are the tasks or steps in the Chapter 1, Project 1 assignment that students have the most problems with. So I hope that this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.